Alright guys, welcome back to the channel Mastersabbi TV. If this is your first time joining us, I really appreciate you stopping by. Thank you. If you've done the follow me for a long time now, you already know I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Alright, so plastering is almost done. We are we are super close, man. I'm so grateful. My team is amazing. As you guys already know, if you've been following us, we've been working. We started this project and then inflation hits. And let me tell you, it has not been easy. So what my team and I decided to do is to just take it one step at a time. One brick at a time, one door at a time, one window at a time. There has been a lot of challenges. It has not just been, roses and clean results. But you know what? Over here, we stay positive, we stay clean, we stay thankful, we stay grateful. Because check this out. Look at this result. We didn't let the setbacks actually set us back. We kept moving. So anyways, guys, I really appreciate you guys stopping by. I will find time to upload my itemized video where I break down the building cost, the material cost, labor cost, and all that stuff.